Hey guys, my name is Emil and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight, where technology is done right. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to downsize a file without messing with the quality of it, okay? This method works 100% guys. I'm not even kidding. Like all of the videos you see in my channel will go through this since my internet connection is really bad. So I have to downsize each and every file, and all of my quality is still at 1080p. It doesn't mess with the quality at all, but the file size is really low, okay? So without any blabbering, let's get straight into it. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to open your Google Chrome or any other browser that you wish, okay? We're going to search for a file called Handbrake. For a program called Handbrake. The link to download this Handbrake program will be in the description below, so check that. Okay, so you're going to click on that and you'll be greeted with this. So you're going to just click on this. Make sure your PC supports this, as this is only 64-bit. This only supports 64-bit, okay? To check if your PC is 64-bit or 32-bit, you're going to click on this PC, or if you don't have this PC, no problem. You can click your File Explorer, and then you're going to see this PC right here. Right click on this, okay, and go to Properties. Okay, here you can see it'll say what bit it is, 32 or 64. Okay, so currently mine is 64. Okay. Okay guys, the file is downloaded, so now we're going to install it. Basic installation is very easy, so I'm just going to click yes to the administrator. Sorry, my screen goes blank, my recorder doesn't record the administrator request thing. Okay, so just going to click next, installing my C drive, and finish. Okay, you can close your browser now, and we have Handbrake right here. Okay, so I have my video file right here. This is a video which is on TechnoRight. You can just go and check it out. Okay, so we're going to click on Properties, and you can see the file size here. It's 154 MB. Okay, so we're going to open Handbrake. Okay, and it says to get that file, so I'm just going to drag and drop the file. It gets ready. Okay, so these are the settings what works for me. Okay, so I'm just going to go for that settings. I set this to fast 1080p 30 since my video is 1080p FHD, and it's also at 30 frames per second. Okay, so I'm going to be setting it at fast 1080p 30. Okay, format MP4. Just leave others and make sure align AV is checked. And then here, the width and the height, make sure it's 1920 by 1080 if you have a 1080 video. This all follows on your resolution guys, on your video resolution that you have. Okay, and pretty much that's about it guys. Don't touch anything else. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go down here and it says browse. Okay, click on that, and it'll be asking you where do you want to save the video file, basically after it's encoded. Okay, so I'm just going to save it in my desktop, but I'm just going to write encoded beside it, so I'll be able to differentiate it. Okay, so I'm going to click on save. Yep, and then you can see this big green button here, play button. It says start encode. You're going to click on that, and it'll take a while to encode. The better your PC, the faster it'll encode. Okay, so I will get back right to you after it has been encoded. Okay guys, and we are back. Okay, so the encoding process has finished. I'm going to minimize that, and we have the file right here. Okay, so moment of truth, let's see what's its file size. We're going to go on Properties. You can see here it's 38.4 MB, right down from 154. Okay, so now let's check the video quality. Okay, let's see my intro playing well. Yep, it's pretty clear. Okay, this is the original one. So, yep, then close this. And now let's see the encoded one. Yeah, movie should be good. Okay. You can see, guys, it's pure HD. Okay, they haven't messed with the quality. The video file looks perfect. Okay, so yeah, basically that's about it, guys. That's how simple it is to decrease your file size, your video file size, without messing with the quality. So if you have any other questions or any other problems, please put them down in the comments below. And I think, yeah, that's about it. So please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out.